This lesson's about Archimedes and the siege of Syracuse 214-212 BC. So we're going to learn about this genius to understand, hopefully, by the end of the lesson, why he's called a genius and develop some historical analysis skills. Mathematician, scientist, physics, geometry, all the things Archimedes studied and wrote about. Buoyancy, why boats float. Eureka, I have it. Engineer, lever, focus, laser, concentration, calculation. So Archimedes, famous Greek philosopher, scientist, physicist, geometrist, engineer. Lived at Syracuse at the time of the Second Punic War. Is a painting of the guy. Made lots and lots and lots of contributions to science and physics and mathematics today. Famously, in the bath, discovered, realised why boats float, the buoyancy principle taught in class. Developed things like the Archimedes screw, a way of lifting water from one level to another. You can recreate it at home. And a lot of other things behind. Ask your maths teacher, Archimedes is quite a big deal. And he's from Syracuse, a Greek city in Sicily. If you look at your big map in your book, you'll see where it is. And here's a little map of it. It's covered here. You got to imagine a very ancient city, very, very, very well defended. A couple 100,000 people, and sort of castle walls built all the way around, including the water side, the seaside. That's Syracuse. Right. If you remember, Sicily and Syracuse was lost to Carthage during the First Punic War. The dictator stroke king of Syracuse, a guy called Hero. Here he is, one of his coins. When the Second Punic War started, he stayed on the side of Rome, the sensible thing to do. But when he died, his grandson took over. There was a lot of infighting and intrigue, where people killed, assassinated. The point is, after Cannae, the people who ruled Syracuse decided to swap sides and join Hannibal. They decided to become a pro-Carthaginian city. It was a big mistake. So the Romans decided they had to capture Syracuse. They couldn't let it go. They couldn't let it go. They couldn't let it stay in Carthaginian hands. It was a base for attacking Italy. So they attacked. They sent a large army. And this is when we hear all about the famous weaponry that Archimedes designed to defend his cities. Here's a picture of him. Here he is, directing all the siege weapons, all the catapults, ballistas, etc., etc. He designed quite a lot of stuff in this set. Famously, he designed the Archimedes claw, some sort of crane device, we think, that was used to pick up Roman ships that were attacking us from the seaside and smash them against the rocks or drop them or let them break in half. Also, famously, we're not even sure this is true, but it's possible, he's said to have built sort of a death ray by concentrating the sun's rays in a mirror to set fire to Roman ships. I'm not sure whether that one's true, but it's a good story. So the Roman attack on Syracuse was a complete failure. I couldn't get anywhere near it. It's about more in class. So the Romans besieged the place. They surrounded it and tried to starve it out, which is difficult in a seaport. They always get supplies in by sea sometimes. But finally, in 214 BC, 212 BC, rather, it is said that the people in Syracuse got a bit slack. They were so confident that the Romans could attack them, they went off and had a big party, a big religious festival. And the Romans managed to get in and attack the city. Archimedes himself, a Roman soldier, is said to have burst into his house. Archimedes is so busy doing calculations, he tells the soldier to get lost, I'm working. The soldier says, well, you're my prisoner. Archimedes says, don't disturb me, I'm doing maths. Soldier kills him, cuts him down. The city is sacked. Sacked means smashed to pieces. The soldiers are allowed to run riot, do whatever they want, and afterwards the city is destroyed, or whatever people are left are sold into slavery.